Hello and welcome to this video on logo design for beginners. In this video, I will be sharing some tips and tricks for creating effective and professional looking logos. Whether you're a beginner designer or just looking to improve your logo design skills, this video will give you the information you need to get started. Tip 1. Keep it simple. The first tip for logo design is to keep it simple. A simple logo is easy to recognize, easy to remember, and easy to reproduce. Avoid using too many colors, fonts, or elements in your logo. A simple logo is more likely to be memorable and effective in representing your brand. Tip 2. Make it versatile. Your logo should be versatile and flexible enough to be used across multiple platforms and mediums. This means that it should look good in both print and digital formats, and should be able to be scaled up or down without losing its quality. Tip 3. Use the right colors. The colors you use in your logo can have a big impact on how it is perceived by your audience. It's important to choose colors that are appropriate for your brand, and that will help to convey the message you want to send. Tip 4. Think about typography. Typography is an important aspect of logo design. The font you choose can have a big impact on how your logo is perceived. Be sure to choose a font that is easy to read and that fits with the overall style of your logo. Tip 5. Get feedback. Lastly, it's important to get feedback on your logo design. Share your work with friends, family, and other designers to get their opinions and suggestions. This will help you to improve your logo and make sure it's the best it can be.